going on? Welcome to DTV. We're going to open Lego Kinder. Look, Lego. L for Lego. K for Kinder Egg. Let's start with Lego.
All right. What's the date today?
14, 15.
Okay.
I just did this thing up. We didn't do that one yet.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Look something cool. What? Oh.
Bring it here. Let me see it.
Spaceship. I have this one.
You do?
Uh-huh. Yeah, but even there, that I can put a mini figure inside.
Nice.
I have this one there. This is not whole bucket. I have a bigger one. Get on. Okay. Poke. Just poke it. Like just if you poke, you just poke it. If you want a trick or treat, you might get a trick. You might get a treat. Like in my class, we had a trick or treat thing that you might get a trick or you might get a treat, and you'd never know if you're going to get teeth or claws or whatever inside, or you might get a candy. I got spectacular teeth. Like
I have no idea what you're talking about.
it was teeth that was for vampire spectacular. Yummy.
No, thank you. You want to show it to the camera before you finish it? Do you have a hiccup? All right.
In the morning, I just had it.
Since the morning, wow. I'm gonna scare you.
Bah!
No, I am going to scare you. All right. Will we be back?
Wait, hiccup the fun tree. This is what we got. I know what the name is. It's called a snow speeder. I have the hiccups.
How about you put it on the floor so we can see it? Can you leave it alone a little bit?
Sure.
Good.
Bottom, back, front.
What is it called?
Side. Snow speeder. This is the snow speeder.
What is it called again?
Snow speeder. Snow speeder.
All right. Well, thank you, Leah, today.
Thank you for watching me on Dia TV. I'll see you tomorrow on Dia TV. That was the Dia TV. Bye.
Are you sure they know what this channel name again?
Dia TV.
All right.